Hey guys, this is gonna be picking up a dead bird that we found on our porch. It's just laying there. We came back home to it. I guess my dad's gonna go pick it up with the shovel. He's discussed it out, so let's see if it's a man or not. Come on!
Poor guy.
Oh God! Oh God! Get it away from me! Did it like die of like starvation?
No, he flew into the window on the door.
It's getting freezing out here. Can you please just put him in the bag?
There.
Okay.
Connor, bring groceries in. Connor, bring groceries in.
Okay. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.